welcome back to our channel. This is Timmy TV and I'm your host, Miss Rachel and Mama Timmy Elijah. I know you guys missed me a lot. I missed you too. I've been busy with some other project, that's why I did not really have time to upload new videos for you. Okay, today we'll be talking about dark knuckles, how to prevent dark knuckles, how to manage your results. That's when you get your desired result, when you get rid of the dark knuckles, how to manage it so you don't have them coming back again. I will also be telling you simple DIYs you can do at home, as well as recommend some products you can buy off the counter for your dark knuckles if you have them, of course. All right, dark knuckles is not only caused by skincare products. Okay, it can be caused as a result of a vitamin deficiency or health related issue. This is a skincare channel, so of course I'll be telling you how to get rid of your dark knuckles using skincare products. Okay, now you can have dark knuckles as a result of skincare products you use. Lotions, certain lotions can cause you dark knuckles. Certain body wash or soap, even your black soap you make, can give you dark knuckles depending on the ingredients you use in those products. Okay, so now what happens when you have dark knuckles? First thing you should do is exfoliate very well. Exfoliate your dark knuckles very well. You know, you can also have dark knuckles from the detergent you use at home. Detergent you use for your laundry, your dishes can give you dark knuckles. So be careful of those detergent that has caustic soda in them. If you are using any detergent at home for your laundry or your dishes and it has caustic soda in it, okay, so if you are using any product that has caustic soda, if you're using any detergent at home that has caustic soda, then I advise you to always wear rubber gloves. If you are using hypo as well, hypo gives you dark knuckle immediately. So if you are doing your laundries with hypo, then please always wear rubber gloves when using hypo and any detergent that has caustic soda in it. Then okay, now you already have dark knuckles, so what do? Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. Exfoliate your knuckles, exfoliate, and then get a good knuckle remedy. You can use Floris dough. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, you can get it in the market for 1,500 naira. It has a serum and a cleanser in it. Okay, so you use the cleanser to clean your knuckle. Use the cotton wool to apply the cleanser on your dark knuckles, after which you apply the serum immediately. Apply the serum on only the dark knuckles. But this cleanser, this Floris dough, is going to peel your knuckle. It's going to peel. I know some of you don't like those knuckle product that peels. This is one of them. It's going to peel your knuckles, but don't worry, once it peels it off, you are good. And then the next thing you should do is maintain. I'm going to tell you how to maintain it. Another product you can use is piment dough serum. Piment dough has cleanser and serum, so use the serum, apply it with a cotton wool on your dark knuckles, just where you have those knuckles, those dark knuckles, not your whole hand, just the dark knuckles. It's going to peel. Piment dough serum is yellow in color. I'm going to put the picture on the screen for you to see. Piment dough, if you are in Nigeria, you can get it for 900 naira or 1,000 naira. Okay, it's going to peel. If you do it every day from 3 to 4 days, you should start noticing the peeling, and then within a week your knuckles should be clean. Okay, now that is it. There are other products you can use for your dark knuckles available in the market too. All right, you can also do a simple DIY, home remedies, but home remedy takes time. You can mix baking soda dilute it with water, and then just apply it as a paste on your dark knuckles. It's also going to work well for you. Or you use lime juice, apply it with a cotton wool just on your dark knuckle. Clean your knuckle with the lime juice. Okay, it's going to take time, but if you are consistent and patient enough, you'll see results. Another method you can do is, if you don't like the home remedy method, you can do this. Get a whitening base cream, mix your lactic acid lotion, mixing your lactic acid and a little glycolic acid. You can add glycerin to it as well. If you are good in mixing, please do this. But if you don't know how to work with acid, you don't know how to do those DIY, please get piment dose or Floris dough cleanser, and trust me, you're good to go. Okay, please don't go and start mixing lactic acid and glycolic acid if you are not a professional. Don't go and pack lactic acid and glycolic acid in your DIY because Timik TV says so. Please, you end up burning your knuckles if you don't know how to work with acid. Please, I'm only giving this recommendation to those of you who know how to mix very well. There are so many methods, but these ones I've given you, I think it's okay. If you try any of them, you will see result. If you want to know more on how to make your knuckles cream, knuckles oil, knuckles cleanser, then please chat me up via the number on your screen to register for our online training. You can also get our knuckles cream, the light. You can also get our knuckles cream for 2,000 naira, just 2,000 naira, and you are good to go. If you are within Nigeria, you need our product, you get the knuckles cream. If you buy any of our skincare kits, of course the knuckle cream is there for you. So now, how do you prevent dark knuckles from coming again? How do you maintain your result? How do you maintain your knuckles? Number one, be careful of what you apply on your skin. Be careful with the kind of skincare products you use. Be careful with the kind of detergent you use. If you can stay away from those detergents that have caustic soda, if you can stay away from using your bare hands whenever you are working with hypo, if you can stay away from hydroquinone product that has hydroquinone, clobetasol, mercury, such products will give you dark knuckles. Not just dark knuckles, those products will damage your skin. You must have green vein, stretch mark, and all of that. I know you don't want such thing, right? Now, if you can stay away from those products, trust me, your knuckles will remain clean. Number two, always moisturize your hand. In fact, have a hand cream in your bag. So whenever you wash your hand, you take that hand moisturizer, that hand cream, and then you apply all over your hand. Whenever your hand come in contact with water, make sure you apply a moisturizer afterward. Always moisturize your skin. Number three, don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen is not just to protect your face from sunburn. I know most of you pay more attention to your face than other part of your body. Your skin is your skin, okay? Take care of your hand. Always go out with a sunscreen in your bag if possible. There are smaller sizes you can put in your bag. Always apply sunscreen on your hand. We are here in Nigeria, you cannot go about wearing hand gloves now. So please always apply sunscreen on your hand. Tip number four, be careful of the kind of product you use on your skin. Be careful of this kind of skincare product you use. Okay, if you use a skincare product that's nice and safe, healthy to use, you won't be battling with dark knuckles in the first place. So if you can stick to these 4 tips I've shared with you in this video, you will not have dark knuckle issue. Always moisturize your hand. You are not going to have dark knuckles again. Use a safe and healthy skincare product. You will not have dark knuckles in the first place. So please, if you have more tips to share, you know more tips, please share with us in the comment section. If you have any question, let me hear from you as well. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to be part of our skincare family. Bye.